Missing someone with all your missing someone.
Oh my god, do you want to be my prom date?
Hello, where do you think you're going right now?
Prom date.
I know everyone's half awake right now.
Actually, I'm quite awake now.
You're awake now? Okay, great.
Yay!
Awesome.
I like mornings.
I'm barely alive.
Oh my god, everyone made it. I'm so proud of everyone. Luke has been traumatized by all the times we didn't follow the dress code.
Wait, no. If she turns left, then front.
Watch
You guys shouldn't bring us to West Coast, right?
No.
Right, guys?
They're keeping left. They're keeping left. It's a good sign, you know. They can go up.
Okay, reaching the weekend. Come on. Don't need to worry about it now.
Let's get physical.
Where's the Keppel Bay? Let's Keppel Bay.
Oh my god!
Where's Keppel Bay?
Oh my god! I think we're going on a yacht.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Are we going on a yacht? I think we're going
Oh my god! Are we going on a yacht?
No wonder we dress so nice.
Huh?
If not, why would we go?
Are you giving yourself high expectations?
Bro, I think
Hey, don't push down.
Yeah.
Okay, but
Hey, Chu-Ling, tell us.
to be fair, Club does have yachts. Because like recently, I know.
Oh really? You can book?
Yeah, I can do it.
What's going on?
It's like one on a
Oh my god!
Wait, we're gonna do
Oh my god!
Everyone will be going on the yacht.
Oh
my
shit!
god!
No! I have never been.
I feel it!
But you just
feel it! I said it in the group chat. I was like, we're going to yacht. And I was like, no.
Oh my
You think
god!
ShopBack got money? ShopBack doesn't have money.
Will we go out to sail?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not just sitting on a yacht.
Yeah, I'm not sitting on the
And then
yacht.
before that, fit check.
I knew it was a good day to be my camera. What do you like today?
Yeah.
Back at it again.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Choo-choo. And
So cute.
this is a day in the life of ShopBack.
Of a ShopBack intern.
Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven. For too long.
Oh, we are on a yacht.
It just happened like that.
Yeah, we're on a yacht.
We can't believe we're on a yacht. We didn't prepare ourselves for
We went through a lot of trouble to get a yacht, but we did it. We did it.
Gym.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Gym. Let's go.
Follow.
Let's go. We're gonna just follow y'all.
5, 6, 7.
Wait, hello, we need to catch up.
How do you get gym?
Cause y'all are really bad.
They're showing us how to break a sweat while looking good.
Carlton Hotel Gym. Don't stop tripping. Amazing race.
Stop laughing at the name.
The day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again.
Hey, what's up, you guys? So right now we're at Tanjong Beach Club and it's like, it's super cute.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Surprisingly, I didn't react as big as I should, and it felt warm.
Yeah.
But I think, like, you know, it's kind of lucky, right? You
It
get
is
that on.
very lucky, dude. Like, not many people get shit on.
Last time when I was in secondary school, right, I sat on bird shit. Then on my skirt, right, because I was eating Oreo at the same time, I thought it's Oreo. I took the bird shit and eat it.
Oh my god.
Why do you tell me a story?
So
how was washing it off?
Chu-Ling, you just got shit on by a bird. How do you feel like right now?
Terrible.
You feel terrible? How do you think I felt? You left me in the pool alone.
Never.
I thought you were coming here to save me, but she left me in the pool alone. This is unacceptable, Chu-Ling.
No.
Yeah. Hey guys, so right now we're at some Michelin ramen. It's the last day. This is so cute, like everyone's just sitting one row and then you can see the smell from like very far away.
We're in Japan, guys.
What you listen, and you listen, and you listen, and you listen.
Okay, the favorite part of my trip was watching them react to our surprises, especially their personal gifts. A lot of thought went into picking each gift. My favorite part of the trip is the yacht because they were so happy.
My favorite part of the trip was the yacht as well. It's my first time going on a yacht.
My favorite part of the trip is Hai Di Lao because I love Tapa.
I think you just say overhyped.
What's your favorite part of the trip?
Everything. Mine was like, what yeah. And then the hotel, the surprises, stuff. Basically everything.
That's usual. That's my lychee taste. Yo,
Favorite part of the trip.
Bullying Liu. Tanjong Beach Club. Kev, what's your favorite part of the trip?
Tanjong Beach Club. The yacht.
Yacht.
The other one.
Yacht. Oh, here's the other one. J. How do you pronounce YACHT?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was I wrong?
Passing the phone to how to pose like a girl, you know?
Pose like a girl. Hey, I want to do one more stupid one, okay? The most awkward part of the trip. Okay. The most awkward part of the trip was when I was, what's it called? The Tanjong Beach Club pool, and I thought I was vibing with Douglas in silence. I thought it was very comfortable and fun. And then last night I realized that he said that when he's very uncomfortable, he just keeps completely quiet. And I felt very, very offended. And that's why I'm sitting the furthest away from him today. The most awkward part of my trip is when Sherry tried to show me her without clothes. I'm terrified.
Chu-Ling is so young.
Yeah. Most awkward part of the trip.
Most awkward part of the trip. I think it's when I had tension.
Most awkward part of the trip. When I quarreled with Douglas because I PMS at him. I'm sorry, Douglas.
When you're not
Quarreling with Douglas.
Yeah.
Huh?
When you're not quarreling with others.
I guess always.
What's your most awkward part of the trip? Awkward part. What's the most awkward part of the trip?
When we went to the ShopBack office and they told us we're going to stay in the ShopBack hotel.
Yes, and then,
Oh, yeah,
and then we
that
actually
one.
believe, and then we
And then
actually
like,
believe it.
and like I had to act humble. Oh. Anyways, moving on.
ShopBack
Yeah,
video like,
it's funny that we actually believed them for how long was it? An hour.
at least an hour.
An hour, yeah, because Kevin was late.
Everything. The most awkward part was when Carice kicked me in the leg. Yeah. It hurts until now.
I sprained his leg.
No, he was like, remember yesterday I was drawing something and then every time like he's on camera he why did you say that?
Most awkward part of my trip is when y'all left me alone in the pool.
I thought you said you were chilling.
Yeah, I thought you were
No,
chilling.
that's why I want to find Douglas.
Hey, why cannot focus? Okay.
Hello, we love you guys. One thing we regret. Regret oh my god. Hey, this is quite a deep question What do we regret? Oh my god, one thing that we regret Actually no, everything quite good I regret Oh yeah, I think we should have done more bonding games. Okay, what's up you guys? We're outside Hvala. We are queuing up for TikTokers because they want to film TikToks. And we are so tired. Oh my god, I am exhausted. Yeah, kind of our last activity for the day. Yes. Yeah. And we love them. We love you guys. It was such a fun trip. I feel like influencers like more of my friends. Really, yeah, like their influencer vibe lah. Yeah. Especially during the beach. So interesting, very interesting. Yeah, I don't really feel it. I love it. Really? Be myself with them. That's good, that's good. They are very, very real people. Yeah, so fun. Singing. I just wish we danced more on the yacht. Yeah. I have gone full up crazy. You know, we had like so much caffeine. Yeah. Caffeine.
Hi my vlog. Why is your
Mana is stopping.
That's all that's needed. That's all that's needed.
But hi, so we are at Hvala right now and we're gonna have matcha.
Matcha, and she's my best friend now. No, they're uncomfortable. They're uncomfortable.
Flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me. Flowers today, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today, instead of sending flowers.
That's funny.
Kevin took a bag of chimes with him. Look at these.
Oh, boo boo. You got a boo boo.
I'm so ugly, Jesus. Now I know I'm singing it.
Oh. Bye guys. It's our last activity.
Most likely to be an A-star student.
It's Douglas. You get $10 voucher.
Yay. Most chaotic award, also known as most likely to break your window.
I think you're Kevin.
No, I'm not Kevin. I never break windows.
So which one more?
That is Claire.
Is it me? I think I'm more chaotic.
Yes.
I mean, Curry.
Got no more gifts
Oh,
lah,
no
sorry.
more?
No more.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, bye bye guys.
Your
Okay.
emotions are
Okay.
shown. Most helpful award, most likely to be a teacher's pet.
Eh?
Oh my god,
Teacher's pet,
Jeevan.
not teacher, ah. So it's
Jeevan.
teacher's
Not
a teacher's pet. Not a teacher's pet.
Most passionate award.
Oh my god, it's
Douglas.
Huh?
No, Kevin.
Most passionate award, also
like-
known as most likely to get 100 marks on a test.
Jeevan?
On the
Jeevan
test.
lah, this one.
Okay, and the answer is Kevin.
What?
Sorry, how you give award?
I call this fraud. Passionate sounds like such a boring award.
Bye guys.
Jeevan's award is most sporting award, also known as most likely to be the student who's actually a
Okay, go in
teacher.
front of me.
Bye-bye.
I got spin already.
Woo!
Bye.
Invite us to class next time,
Oh yeah, sure. I'll
okay?
let you know my class name.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye, most caring award. Bye-bye.
Best friend, show me your peps.
Best friend, show me your pipes.
Show him those pipes. Next is Clarice. Best friend, show me your pipes.
For real. For real.
I still see your face in the windows.
Babe.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.